Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead, do yourself a favor by hitting that like, subscribe, and the notification bell. This one, I'm going to get right to the point and get to my point. All right. So just remember, if you're new, like, subscribe, notification. Right. So let's get right into it. I'll probably make 2 videos today. Let's see what's going on in the stock market. We could see that we have a nice pullback here. All right. Should I say run up here? We can see that the Dow is doing extremely well, but the NASDAQ is the big winner today, up almost 1% it was. We could see in the pre-markets that it was going up, heading north. We like north and not south. Russell 2000 up 1%. And, a lot of people are like, yay, 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 but not too fast. Okay. So let's look at it. Stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ rise, but weekly losses loom for Wall Street. When in doubt, zoom out. Clearly, we could see over the week, we are down significantly. Look at that. The Dow is actually down 600 points and the NASDAQ is down 290. All right. So you could see here an average of like 1.45%. The entire market is down. So while we're getting excited about today, the true story is we're still in a pullback, and I expect it to be choppy. Let's look at a few more mentionables. Tesla is up. Remember, on yesterday it was down, but it's gaining back 2%, 2 point. Look at that. So we still down for the week 13%, but we can clearly see that for the day we're trying to fight back. I didn't sell any of my Tesla. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just telling you what Larry is doing. Now, remember when I talked about, before I go to that, I'm going to talk about EVs and what I said. I'm not always right, but I'm right a lot. But then when I'm wrong, of course, it gets amplified. No one person is right all of the time. This is the stock market. Just realize that. Now, Warren Buffett, the greatest investor in the world, is not right all of the time. And if you think that that's what you're here for, you need to go do something else. You better go find a table in Vegas. But if you're right more than you're wrong, and if you split your trades up and your investments up, you will make money. And these are facts. Okay. So I believe, again, that the quote unquote Trump trade will actually kick in again, like I said on yesterday's video, leading up to the inauguration. But then I do see some profit taking. So from now until the inauguration, which is the 20th, there is still money to be made. And we make money whether it's going up or whether it's going down. So let me show you a play that I got in this morning that I shared with my Discord. Actually, one of them was, here we go, Carvana. All right. One was Carvana. Look at that. That's 39.35% off of a one contract. Right. So $300 that I made literally in the first 5 minutes of the market. Now, what's crazy is Carvana, if you look at it right now, it's actually up to 191. And so, Larry, what happened? Right at opening bell, I did a put down to 185 right there. Okay? 185 right there. And then what did I turn around and do? I actually turned around and called it back up to 190. Okay, so that's what I did. The call back up, I didn't post. I made people money on the way down. The call back up, I didn't post. It was risky, but I did because the overall stock, it's falling because of the hit job from the same short report. Okay, so we're not gonna dwindle on that. All right, so there's some more things that I want to share with you guys. Let's just keep it going. Look at Rivian, okay? Rivian is up, as you could see, 22%. Why? Because of their deliveries. Okay. So they outperformed Tesla. Tesla missed deliveries and Rivian exceeded. Okay. So remember, let's put in Lucid. What's another EV name that I can think of? Let's put in NIO, which NIO is a Chinese ADR. All right, let's just go with this for right now. Now, if you've been rolling with me for a while, you remember I said 2024 would be the year to buy EVs, and EVs were beat down the most. Why? Because I expected them to get beat down the most. In particular, towards the in the fourth quarter of 2024, and I believed it. I put my money where my mouth is. I started to buy, not heavy. So I didn't buy heavy yet, good people. I only bought lightly. But I believe it was a good call. Even on the 5-day, you could see what's happening already. But you could see that it is starting, these EVs will start to actually make money. Look at that. Lucid is up 52. Rivian's up 36. Now, be careful with Lucid because they're going to do another share dilution. They have to raise money. But as you could see, it's choppy and there is still a ton of room to make money in there. Okay. And then I have a lithium company in there. And then I also have an electric helicopter company in there. And I got that in my EV portfolio. Okay. And we'll talk about that on a later video. So I want you guys to keep your eyes on those. I wouldn't go in heavy. I don't care how cheap they are because there can be some more downward pressure. But I have started a small, very small EV portfolio. Now, I take Tesla out of that. I put Tesla alone by itself. Okay. So that's what I want to show you. Now, here's what I'm also going to show you guys, and I'm going to tell you something. All right. Look at this. When you go to WAP, you could see most addicting. That's me right there. Money moves. Okay. I have the most addicting stock crypto club, my version of a Patreon on WAP, and it's been trending for the last week now. All right. Now, it's not the live room where you can comment. That's not even open yet. And I'm just telling you guys that if you're waiting on a sale, it's never coming on this again. It's done. It's done. I advertised it, sent out emails. It's done. But let me show you this, good people. Look, QSIW. Now, QSIW, on yesterday, I told people in the stock club that QSI, regardless of what everyone is saying, which was true, that they are frothy, but I still saw room to what? To make money. So as you could see at the top, I told people in the stock money moves, I told people that QSIAW was still a hold because it had more room to run. So this was this morning. It could be higher or lower. QSI, you could see, is up another 30% today. And then QSIAW is up 42%. But it is a warrant. And for those of you that have taken Stock Up U, you know how to make money with warrants. Okay. So if you're in money moves, leave me a coffee cup if you saw that and you made money. And I'm just going to tell you this. I'm going to end by saying this, good people. I really wanted to tell you this. It doesn't matter if you buy join my stock club or my Patreon. It doesn't matter if you buy Stock Up U. It just matters that you invest in yourself. And I'm going to tell you this really quick because this is important for you to know. While you're waiting on a sale, which will be probably not in the money moves, but Stock Up U, I'll probably do a Black Friday sale. But just think of the tens of thousands of dollars that you will be wasting, okay, missing. So I'm going to end by saying this. I got a brother that's a carpenter, okay, and he's on YouTube. He does a Sunday school, right? And one time he said, hey, man, he was a carpenter. It's back in our carpenter days. He wanted this tool. And he says, well, I'm going to wait for it to go on sale. And I said, that's a poor man's mentality. And what I meant by that is buy the tool that's going to allow you. So the tool was about $500. But soon as he bought the tool for $500, we booked a job that paid almost $5,000. Follow what I'm saying? And so that tool allows you to make life-changing money. And so what I'm telling you at the beginning of 2021, find some education that you like anywhere and invest in yourself, because your waiting on a sale is a poor man's mentality. Remember, we're not thinking like poor people. We're thinking like wealthy people. So it doesn't matter where it is. If it's Keenan Grace has an awesome options class. Awesome. Okay. There's so many. My man, Chris Sane, he does coaching calls. He is worth every penny. Okay. And just search abroad. Just search for the free stuff and then spend some money and invest in yourself. Okay. So that's what I wanted to tell you on this one. I'm going to do a crypto one later, but just remember, the coupon code works until Monday night, the 6th. Coupon code for StockUpU is EARN. Now, I know this sounds like a commercial, but I'm telling you right now, I don't care, because that is going away. It's not coming back again. What I'm telling you is just invest in yourself, good people. Everybody want to be table fed. Invest in yourself, right? Hey, Larry, I don't want any of your stuff. That's fine. Go find something or someone that you like to listen to or you like to learn from and make the money. The people that have the people that have benefited from Money Moves, my version of a Patreon, they've already made enough money to pay for the Patreon for the whole year. But what I'm telling you is develop a skill that's going to make you money. For those of you that are at work, develop a skill. I know people that are following me right now that are making on the side, making as much money as they are making going to work. Okay. Yeah, they have to sneak to the bathroom every now and then. But I'm telling you guys that if you don't invest in yourself first, you are missing out. All right. That's the bigger reason for making this. The stocks, we're going to continue to make money. Crypto, we're going to continue to make money. Whether the market's going green or red, we make money. I'm telling you that if you want to change your life financially, invest in yourself now. All right. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.